It's time for a session today. Today we are going to discuss a topic called Principal Component Analysis from Machine Learning as suggested by my user. Before we get into Principal Component Analysis, let us see what is machine learning. So, it is the process of feeding the data to the system such a way that the system creates its intelligence. Soon as it creates its intelligence, we are going to test it with an input data. So, how is this Principal Component Analysis going to help for machine learning? You might get it wrong. So, before we get into Principal Component Analysis, let us see what is overfitting and underfitting. Now, for example, we are going to train the machine with the attributes like spherical, can play and 5 cm radius. Whichever physical object consisting of these attributes is termed to be a ball, else we are going to call it a fruit. So now, let us assume a football which is radius of greater than 10 centimeters. Now, it is going to satisfy the condition spherical, can play, but when it comes to 5 cm radius, it is not going to be satisfied. Hence, the machine is going to call it as a fruit. So, now, what is underfitting? We are going to train whichever is in spherical shape is a ball to that machine. Now, assume that I have shown a fruit to that machine. What is it going to say? It is going to say that it's a ball, but actually it is a fruit. So now, look at this graph. See here, these dots are the data points and this curve is the intelligence that is being built by this machine. So, this curve or the intelligence of the machine is trying to satisfy each and every data point that is being plotted. It means whichever the data point which is not being satisfied, it is going to give the result as no. Now, when we come to this underfitting graph, here we are seeing a line which is touching the least number of points compared to this overfitting graph. Now, see, only 2 data points have been intersected by this line. It means that any one of these or both of these is being satisfied, it is going to predict as yes, which could be a wrong. Similarly, here, even if single condition is not satisfied, it is going to give it as no, which is wrong. It means that both overfitting and underfitting are creating a problem by giving the wrong answer. So, in order to avoid that, we are going for Principal Component Analysis. In this Principal Component Analysis, we are going to create a model that is going to make the optimum number of points such that it is going to give an best fit efficient intelligence for the machine. So, hope everyone has understood what is underfitting and overfitting. Now, in the next video, let us see what is Principal Component Analysis. So, for further queries, I request you to please mention in the comments below. Thank you.